The human body is a complex and fascinating machine. It requires constant care and attention to function properly. At the very core of this incredible system lies the heart, a tireless pump that keeps us alive. Without the heart, our bodies wouldn't receive the oxygen and nutrients needed to thrive. Every beat of the heart is a testament to its vital role in sustaining life. From the moment we are born to our very last breath, the heart works tirelessly, beating an average of 100,000 times a day. It circulates blood throughout our bodies, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients to every cell. This continuous flow is what allows our organs to function, our muscles to move, and our brains to think. The heart is not just a vital organ, it is a symbol of life, love, and strength. Understanding how the heart works is essential for appreciating the miracle of our own existence. In the following sections, we will delve into the inner workings of this marvelous organ, exploring its structure, function, and importance in maintaining overall health. The heart, about the size of a clenched fist, sits nestled slightly to the left of our breastbone. This powerful organ is a marvel of biological engineering. It is made up of a special type of muscle called cardiac muscle. This muscle tissue contracts and relaxes rhythmically, propelling blood throughout the circulatory system. Encasing the heart is a protective sac known as the pericardium. This double-layered sac acts as a cushion, preventing friction as the heart beats. Beneath the pericardium lies the heart wall, comprised of 3 distinct layers: the epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Each layer plays a specific role in the heart's function. The outer layer, the epicardium, is a thin, transparent layer that protects the heart's surface. The middle layer, the myocardium, is the thickest of the 3 and is responsible for the heart's pumping action. The inner layer, the endocardium, lines the chambers of the heart and ensures smooth blood flow. This intricate design highlights the complexity and efficiency of the heart's structure. The heart is not just one pump, but 2 pumps working in unison. It is divided into 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called atria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. The right atrium and right ventricle work together as the right pump, while the left atrium and left ventricle form the left pump. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body through large veins called the superior and inferior vena cava. This blood, depleted of oxygen and carrying waste products, then flows into the right ventricle. The right ventricle, in turn, pumps this blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. The left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs via the pulmonary veins. This oxygenated blood then flows into the left ventricle, the heart's most powerful chamber. The left ventricle pumps this oxygenated blood out to the rest of the body through a major artery called the aorta. This separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is crucial for the body's function. Section 4. Highways and byways, the heart's vessels. Just as a city relies on a network of roads and highways, the heart depends on a vast network of blood vessels to transport blood throughout the body. These vessels act as conduits, ensuring that every cell receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to survive. Arteries, thick-walled and elastic, carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. The aorta, the largest artery in the body, branches out into smaller arteries that deliver blood to various organs and tissues. As arteries get further from the heart, they branch into even smaller vessels called arterioles. Veins, on the other hand, carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Veins have thinner walls than arteries and often have valves to prevent blood from flowing backward. Small veins called venules collect deoxygenated blood from the capillaries and deliver it to larger veins, which eventually return the blood to the heart. Capillaries, the smallest and thinnest of the blood vessels, form a vast network connecting arteries and veins. It is in the capillaries where the crucial exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products occurs between the blood and the body's cells. Section 5. The circle of life. Blood's journey through the heart. The human circulatory system is a closed loop, with the heart acting as the central pump that keeps blood flowing continuously. Understanding how blood travels through this intricate network is key to grasping the heart's vital role. The journey begins as deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium of the heart through the superior and inferior vena cava. From the right atrium, blood flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps this blood through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs. In the lungs, blood releases carbon dioxide and absorbs fresh oxygen. This newly oxygenated blood then travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. From the left atrium, blood flows through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. Finally, the left ventricle pumps this oxygen-rich blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta, the largest artery in the body, which distributes it to the rest of the body. This continuous cycle ensures a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to every cell.